Hi, welcome back to another unboxing video, and today it is another Kaweco video. So I have here this box that I got from eBay from Italy, and it says that it was checked, it had a security check by DHL, so I hope everything is okay inside. But that's what we will see. I hope everything is okay because this was not an inexpensive pen, because it is one that is hard to find, and I was searching for one for quite a long time, so sometimes we need to spend some money. This is a green Victorinox Alox knife from 2017, and it's green because what we have inside is a green pen. At least I hope it still is inside. Okay, tape, because it has been repacked. I don't feel good about these things. I don't like to have my stuff, my mail open, as you, I think maybe many of you understand what I mean. We prefer everything to arrive safely. Here we have it, all the protecting things away. Let's take this. Okay, it has a little bit of tape here. Hope it's done, and here we have, you can see this is a Kaweco wooden box, very nice. It has tape here to keep it closed. Then I need to remove it better, but I'm getting really anxious to see if everything is okay inside. Okay, let's see. We open this. Oh, now I got a little bit frightened when I saw this empty, but it's here. You can see here the packaging, this leather pouch with a coin, this license to write, this Kaweco leaflet, which I think it's the warranty, the Kaweco set, the serial number, and you can see there, this is the Visconti logo, because this edition was made by Visconti. Let me just bring the camera down and check it closer. Okay, so we have here the Kaweco leather pouch, and inside we have this beautiful, it's gorgeous, this beautiful piece, and also the a ballpoint pen. So let me just show you. This is a, let me bring the light closer. This is a celluloid pen, and this is a ballpoint pen. It has it works, it has that, so it's interesting. It says Kaweco there instead of Kaweco Sport, as newer editions say, and there it says also Kaweco. This is the fountain pen, and I'm very excited. It says here the serial number 24242 from, I don't know how many. I don't remember if it matches the number there, but I don't really care about that. It's a beautiful celluloid. It has green, a little bit of kind of golden brown, and there we have a beautiful gold nib that I'm very happy to have this pen in my collection. I'm really, really happy. Yes, really, 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 really happy. It has an ink window. I think you can see it, my finger in the window. And it has blind cap, I think. And there you have the turning knob. I hope it works. But if it doesn't, I want to have this pen anyway. Yes, the piston is running. I'm not sure if you can see it there. Okay, the piston works at least. If it feels or not, I'm not sure. But I'm happy because I finally have the green edition of this Kaweco Sport. So it was quite expensive, but I finally have it. So this green edition, let me zoom in. This green edition was made some time ago. I'm not sure about the year. I will check all this information, then I'll let you know. But now I'm just really excited, and this is just an unboxing video. I'll show it better. But I got this. This was an edition that was made in green and in blue. It was a very limited edition, and I have here also the blue version. Although the blue one looks a little bit longer, but the blue was the Combimatic version, so it was supposed to have a pencil that could be screwed in on this side of the pen, and so it could be a pen and a pencil in the other side. So maybe that explains the difference in size, but the pens are almost the same, just one is longer than the other. I'm not sure if that's the real explanation, but I think and hope it is. So I think they have the same kind of nib. One is more oxidized than the other, but these are just gorgeous materials in my opinion. So this one I already had, the blue one, and now I have the green one, and I'm really happy for have it. And in this comparison I had to show the two of them. Just for some more comparisons, I have this one, which is the Kaweco Art Sport in metallic green that was released. This is generation 3, and you can see it is a little bit, it has a, this one has a warmer tone to it. This one is a cartridge converter pen, and this is one, this is a piston filler. And this makes even more sense because this year Kaweco will release piston filler pens, and probably most how can I say it, hardcore Kaweco collectors know about this, but maybe not everyone. Kaweco, some people think that Kaweco never made, since the current administration, since 1990s, never made piston fillers, but that's not true because there were these two pens, the blue and the green one, there were made. Now they will re-release the piston pen that, as far as I know, will be based on this model, which is the Lux, and I think it makes lots of sense to be this kind of pen. This one has a clip, and I think it really makes sense to have the pen based on this one. Now I'm just really intrigued why this one is so much longer than the other. Again, so this makes sense to have this in my collection. It makes sense because it was missing, makes sense because they will release piston fillers. I have here piston filler that I showed you recently because I made the unboxing. This is an older one, a vintage one, and there were several other pens like these. This is the 16, the V12, the V16, and there was also another pen. Okay, and this is just a little bit for kind of a myth busting, because people usually think, I'm not talking about the true Kaweco collectors, but most people think that Kaweco pens modern Kaweco pens are only made as like this, Kaweco Sport, or are only piston or cartridge pens like this one, but they are not, or at least 2 models were made as piston fillers. And also people tend to think that older Kaweco Sport pens were only piston fillers as all these 4, and that's not true, because I have this one. As far as I know, it was kind of a prototype. It doesn't have Kaweco engraved there, but it has the logo and it has the nib, and it was a pen like this one, like the V16 or the V12, but it was a cartridge pen. So it means that in 1970s, probably, although they were mostly piston fillers, they were thinking about cartridge pens, because that was the natural evolution of pens that by that time. So they vintage or older Kaweco pens could be cartridge pens, and modern Kaweco pens could be piston filler pens. So just for you to know, now they will really have that as a really assumption, and not just as a special or limited edition. And I can't stop looking at the size difference between the barrels. But okay, it doesn't matter. This is the video I had to show you today, just the unboxing. I hope I will ink this pen. I hope it takes ink, and I will try it, and I'm very happy that it was verified by DHL, but it is all working, and I'm very happy because it came with the little pouch, which is nice, and also with the nice, let me take this all out of the way, with a nice box, this presentation box, which has room to put the fountain pen, the ballpoint pen, and the little pouch like that, with its coin on that slot. And there it is, a very beautiful wooden box. I'm very happy today. So a new Kaweco to join the collection. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is all for today, and I hope to meet you soon here on the channel. Bye!